You heard say too? Look, today we got a different type of video. I'm gonna switch it up a little bit. Today we finna do a little video where like I'ma call my peoples, right? My homeboys, my cousins and all that. I'ma call them and be like, what them turn on? I'ma call them and be like, my truck gonna start woo do this and that, and I'ma see who gonna be real, come pick me up. Cause if y'all know me, I'm always the first person people call when they need a ride. I don't know why. I don't ever give a ride like that, but they always call me for rides, who do this and that. So now I'm gonna see who gonna be real. You feel me? And I'm gonna call and see who gonna scoop me. Cause my truck broke down. My truck gonna start woo do. Like when we do, I'm gonna have to turn off the truck and all that. It's already hiding here right now, so we gotta make this snappy. But the first person I'm gonna call is CL. And my cousin, the first person I'm gonna call is CL because he just texted me not too long ago, asked me where I was. So let's get into it. Alright, look, my iPad didn't have screen record, I had to put it on there. But the first person we gonna call is CL. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. 3, 2, 1. Alright, let's see if he answers. Oh, I got to turn the call. I want to FaceTime him, my guy. I bet. Hopefully y'all can hear. You gonna answer?
Hello?
CL, where you at, bro?
I'm at the bar.
Hey, are you in your car?
Nah.
Oh, who you with?
Oh, damn.
Oh, shit. Cause my truck had broke down out here by Walmart. It won't start. And my mom and my dad are gone. I was trying to see you come get me, bitch.
I ain't even in my car. And I'm all over here.
Alright, bet.
Call, we eating with her.
Alright.
Sure.
Well, y'all boys, if y'all can hear, CL ain't even in his car right now. So, let me start the screen real quick. CL not even in his car right now, so I guess we finna call Wee Wee. And I ain't gonna lie, I know Wee Wee ain't finna come get me. But let's see. We finna have to put a move on it because it's getting hot in here. But look, we finna call Wee Wee. I'm really scared because I don't never call Wee Wee. But look, we finna call Wee Wee and see what he on. See if he come get me. He probably ain't gonna answer. Gotta put my sad face on. Hey, Wee Wee. Where you at? You at home? Hey, when you get tired, you come get me from Walmart, bro. My truck gonna start. And CL say he ain't got no, he ain't with Terran. He at the barn. Alright, bet, bro. Hey, Wee Wee. Nah, I'm just playing, bro. I'm doing a prank video, and you gonna be on YouTube. You can see them big ass shoulders. Alright, bet. Hey, Wee Wee a real nigga. Hey, Wee Wee a real nigga. I thought he wasn't gonna get me. I ain't gonna lie. Man, hey, who can we? Hold up, bro. Hey, it's getting hotter and hotter in here. I might have to come out my shirt. But now we finna call Gigi. That nigga Gigi asked me for a ride every day. He better, hey, even if he ain't got no wheels, he better find some wheels. You feel me? Man, let's call it Gigi, man. Hold up, I gotta type his name, man. Man, too, I ain't gonna, hey, it's burning open here. Oh, Lord, let me start the screen record.
What up, gang?
Man, who you with, bro?
Huh?
You at Walmart?
Yeah.
Who you with?
Myself.
Man, hey, when you get time, bro, my truck gonna start. I'm by like El Paso. You come get me, bro.
Alright.
Real?
Yeah.
Real nigga. Hey, G.
Huh?
I'm by like El Patio, like, you gonna see me on side the road, bro.
Alright, I'm finna grab this cup stuff and I'm finna come.
Alright, hey, GG.
You wanna stop me or something?
Nah, shit, I'm just trying to get some help.
Hey, I got you, bro.
Whole time I'm just playing, bro. I'm doing a prank YouTube video.
Get your lame ass on.
You gonna be on YouTube, man. Who that is next to you? Somebody say what up, boy?
What up?
I was just bullshitting though. All right, bro.
You ain't hooping today?
Hell nah.
Why?
It's too hot. I'm burning up right now making this video.
Are you dead at the YouTube video, bro?
Yeah.
Why y'all not doing YouTube video at the church?
At the what? That I'm sweating.
I live in the house.
Man, cause you suck, nigga. Don't want to see you.
Man, might stop playing with your sorry ass.
Hey, man, get on my line. I got some people to prank.
Alright, bro.
Hey, two. Hey, bitch. Two. I don't know. Y'all can see I'm sweating a little bit. Hey. Let's get some air crank while I talk to y'all. I ain't gonna lie to her. GG, a real, you feel me? Yeah. Hey, I got a couple more people I can call. I gotta yell now because the air on y'all. It's hot in there, bro. I'm sweating. But look, I got a couple more people I can call. Man, two, I don't know if y'all can see this. Hey. Oh no. But look, two, I'm finna catch some air real quick. And I'm gonna catch up boy when I call this nigga. Alright, look, two, I done got me some little bit of air. Now we finna call my cousin, Kadeem. Look, I know Kadeem gonna come and get me because he just now start whipping it. You know, when you first start driving, you wanna drive everywhere. So now we finna call the ding ding. And be like, I need you, baby. So they call him. I know he gonna answer because why wouldn't he? Hey, Kadeem, where you at? Ellick.
Yeah.
Nigga, why you in Ellick?
What? I'm not in Ellick. I'm in Poundgate.
Why?
Just got my toes done. Why?
Man, my truck broke down. I'm at Walmart. I ain't got nobody to come get me. CL ain't got no wheel. And you
act like I didn't see that thing in the background. I see the pose.
What pole? Nigga, I'm by Walmart. I'm by the police station by Walmart, nigga.
It's your house, nigga.
Kadeem, why you be in my house too much? Why the you know where I'm at right now, nigga?
I'm not dumb. I see the power line.
Kadeem, say what up to YouTube, bro.
Wait, so what you want right now?
I'm on my iPad.
Are you vlogging today?
Now I'm doing like a little experiment. Still, who gonna come get me? Cause you know niggas always asking me for rides.
Yeah.
You feel me? And you all the way in Ellick. And you know nigga, you know my light pole? You my girl or something, boy? Get off my line, man.
Alright, bro.
Hey, this boy in Ellick. I would've rotted it if it was for real. Yeah. Then he talking about he know my light pole. What? Ain't nobody else know my light pole. Why he know my light pole? Weirdo. Hey, we finna see who we going to next, man. Say to next up on this, we got Kadeem's sister. We finna call Tanai. Let's see if Tanai gonna come and clutch you, feel me? She probably, everybody been answering, so hey, let's see. Hopefully she don't know my light pole. She probably on that D&D stuff. Let me call 2 times. Well, Tanai's not answering. Tanai's not answering, so I'm finna turn his air back up and find somebody else to call. Say to him, now we finna call it KO. You feel me? We finna call it KO. And I don't know if he gonna answer either. Let me see. We finna call it KO. Let's see if he answers. Good for me too. sent y'all, boy. So tonight answer, KO answer. Y'all know who I'm finna call though? I'm finna call it Tori. Since Kadeem and all the way in it gave me the bright idea to call Tori. She stay in that and act like I'm in that and tell her I need her assistance. The whole time she probably at work, probably ain't gonna answer. I'm on one way to find out. She ain't gonna answer. If she don't answer, they gonna be a wrap for the video.
I'm in the work. I'm gonna have to call you later.
Okay.
All right, I got you. All right.
Say to. That's gonna conclude the video. That's gonna end off the video right there. Kadeem talking about he know my light pole, what type of time he on, and like, so I'm gonna say about only two people ain't really, you feel me? I was gonna call my boy Jaden, but I just can't seem to find his number. His number in my phone, I just can't find it. But yeah, this is gonna be the end of the video too. Hopefully y'all enjoyed. If y'all enjoyed it, like the video and subscribe. All my people be talking about vlog this and vlog what a vlog at, Mike, this and that. Whole time I be peeping, they ain't even subscribe. Hey, subscribe. Even if you ain't my people, become my people and subscribe. Feel me, all in this together. Hey, listen to this banger song though.
But I was steady fighting demons reach for the Lord and he seen me. I'm steady leaning and grieving, they changing up like the season. They got a beam for no reason, these niggas always not mean it. But he been telling me this just the way it goes.